Hi guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. Dollar stabilizes after SPI inspired gains and gains on intervention talk by patterners. Investing.com, the US dollar stabilized in early Europe trade Wednesday, pausing for a breath after the previous session's sharp gains in the wake of the harder than expected US inflation report. At 3 o'clock 80 in the dollar index to track the greenback gains, a basket of six other currencies trade largely unchanged at uh, 109 after surging 1.5% overnight, its biggest on-day percentage gain since March 2020. U.S. inflation turned out stronger than expected in August. In particular, the so-called core CPI rose a thumping 0.6%, which what was expected, driving the now core inflation rate up to 6.3% from 5.9% in July. That's the highest it's been since the 40-year high that it hit in March. This largely comments another big hike in interest rates from the Federal Reserve when its policy markers meet next week. Markets have already priced in a high possibility that the Fed will raise rates by 75 basis points next week. But the change of a full 1% rate increase is now also being considered. Let's say USD/JPY fell 0.8% to 143, with the yen bouncing from the 24-year low seen overnight on Japanese. Media report that the Bank of Japan conducted a rate check, making trade wary that it was preparing to intervene to support the Belgrade currency. Japanese Finance Minister Sanji Suzuki also said that moves in the yen have been rapid and one-sided. The condition that could prompt the government to support the currency. Elsewhere, EUR or USD rose 0.1% to 0.976, remaining below parity after overnight weakness. The euro sell-off occurred despite last week's historic 75 basis point hike by the European Central Bank and the signaling of more hikes to come by a number of policymakers. This hawkish rhetoric continued Tuesday, with governing council member Gediminas Šimkus, the Lithuanian central bank chief, saying the central bank should raise interest rates by at least a half point at its October meeting. Inflation trends are strong, he said. Therefore, at least a 50 basis point increase is needed next month. GBP or USD rose 0.1% to 1,498, attempting to recover from a 1.6% fall overnight, despite the rate of inflation in the UK dropping back under 10% in August as falling fuel prices took a little of the hit out of the ongoing cost of living crisis. That said, sterling loss were limited Wednesday as core inflation remained strong, suggesting that the headline figure were flattered by the drop in fuel price. AUD or USD fell 0.2% to 0.6715, containing the hefty 2.3% slide overnight for the risk-sensitive currency. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel.